For today's video, I gave myself one mission: find the most powerful AI video generator in the world. For weeks, I tested every option I could find, both free and paid. The goal was to find a model that could take a simple prompt and turn it into a real movie, with camera changes, longer videos, sound, and no watermark. After all that testing, I found it. I now have access to a model that makes it incredibly difficult to tell whether what you're watching was created with AI. And today, I'm going to show you what it is and how to use it. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. If we look at the rankings, the result is clear. For turning simple prompts into all kinds of videos, the Seedance models come out on top. We have several ways to use them. You can create videos like these inside Higgsfield. It brings the best image and video models into one place, along with a huge collection of its own tools, so you don't have to pay for several separate subscriptions. Higgsfield has also started focusing heavily on Seedance 2.0, which, without a doubt, is the most powerful video model right now. Even in its standard version, Seedance can do something I couldn't get anywhere else: create videos that feel like real movies. Higgsfield also gives us a huge range of tools and settings to control how the video turns out. Open Video from the menu at the top. Once you're inside, go to the Model section. You'll find plenty of options, but the one we want today is Seedance 2.0. Now open the quality settings and choose 4K, then set the bitrate to high. Add a prompt and send it, and you'll immediately understand why having 4K available for this kind of model is such a big deal.
Please help us. Please forgive us. Save us, please.
Most platforms only let you generate at 1080p. Even when the video has no errors and looks resolution, the lower resolution can still make it feel like AI-generated content. Here, we're combining the most powerful video model in the world with a resolution other platforms simply can't match. We can also use the other tools inside Higgsfield to get even better results. Personally, I like to open the Image section and choose GPT Image 2, which is currently the best image generation model available. Add a prompt and it generates 4 images at a time. This gives you several starting images to compare before turning the best one into a video with Seedance 2.0, so you can define the look of the final clip from the start. I'll leave all the links for the AI video tools I'm using today and all the prompts, plus free text and image AI tools you can use, on my website in the description. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. You can also use any of the editing tools to fix anything that doesn't look right. Inside Higgsfield, GPT Image 2 generates in 4K and without a watermark, unlike the version inside ChatGPT. That means we can turn the image into a video without losing quality or letting a lower resolution starting frame drag the final result down. That makes the two models a perfect combination. Once you've chosen the image, click Turn to Video. This takes you back to the video interface, where you'll select Seedance 2.0 again. Open Upload Media, choose Image Generations, find the image you just created, and click Check Eligibility. Once the eligibility check is complete, select the image to add it. Now add your prompt and make sure everything is configured correctly. Set the quality to 4K and adjust the duration of the video. Later, I'll show you how to make clips that are even longer. Before sending it, double-check that the bitrate is set to high for maximum quality. Once you send the prompt, the video begins generating, and this is the result. We can go even further by using a full video as the reference, not just text or an image. I'm going to upload a clip and tell Seedance to match its visual style, while continuing the action from where it ends. When I send it, the model doesn't just use the final frame as a starting point. It analyzes the look of the entire clip and creates a continuation that matches its style. This lets us chain multiple generations together and build videos as long as we want. Another use case I found extremely powerful is creating viral vertical videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts. Now that we can produce content that looks this realistic, we can switch the format to 9:16 and add text, images, or videos as references. Then, we can ask Seedance to make the opening seconds extremely eye-catching, so the video grabs people's attention immediately. And for those of you who made it this far, here's an extra tip that can help you make money with this model. When a video looks real, it's much easier to gain people's trust, or at the very least, make the video look professional. That makes Seedance the perfect tool for creating ads. You could approach a brand, get permission, take a photo of its product, and upload that image as a reference along with a prompt. Then ask the model to create a high-end ad with multiple camera angles, scene changes, and sound. Producing something like that traditionally could cost the company thousands of dollars, while you can deliver something even better at maximum quality for much less. And this doesn't only apply to products. Because Seedance can keep any reference you upload consistent, you can use images of anything you want to promote and turn them into a full-scale production in just a few minutes.
Thanks for your videos, Malva. I already subscribed and left a like.
To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.